Good day, everyone, and welcome to Weekly Forex Recap. It's June 24th, and today we will see trading ideas and setups as each week. And we will be quick with this. I haven't prepared the last week analysis. There was a lot of things really to do and manage. So basically, I didn't do it. But of course, if you traded it, then you know that many of these setups went good, and also Bitcoin went okay. Again, I'm not trading, and I don't trade a Bitcoin, but it was again a bit good. Now, regarding this week's setups, before we start, have in mind that CFD and Forex are leveraged products can result in losses that exceed your deposits. So those are not suitable for everyone. Please educate yourselves before you start trading live. And everything you see and hear from me is my personal opinion only. Trading rules are always the same. We always use same trading rules, and definitely we are not changing it. It's also you can check these trading rules each on each webinar, and there is a specific slide named trading rules, so you can check it also during in previous webinars. Okay. Now, regarding these trades, we have a breakout trade in euro dollar currently. But if you want to wait for a POC, it's 1340, stop loss 1310, TP 1450, sell 1450, stop loss 1480, TP is 1390. Okay, so I will zoom it in. Okay, just give me a few seconds. So this is it. Okay, euro dollar. Okay, so this is the euro dollar, but as I said, there is a breakout setup. I am currently in. Basically, the setup is 1387 to 97 on the euro dollar, 1387 okay to 97, and I have these trades running on my account. So stop loss is 1362. You need to add a spread. But if this happens, actually, if this happens, it will mean that the price went to POC zone, so it can be bought again. Okay, so this is the euro dollar. Sell is 1450. Stop loss 1480. TP 1390. And this is the chart. So breakout setup above daily H3. We have a possible long ATR still hasn't been tested, and of course there shouldn't be any problems with this if the price breaks 1400. Daniel is saying that there is no picture. I'm not sure why you don't see the picture. Wait, maybe I actually. Yeah, I probably share other monitor. Now tell me if there is the picture, but I need to rotate myself. Do you see the picture now? Do you see the screen? You should be seeing the screen now. Yeah, that's it. I presume. Thank you for your update. I will show you the screen again. Just give me a few seconds. So this, okay, I will try to rotate myself. Fortunately, I have like trading room that is actually like a cockpit here, full 3 monitors plus the laptop, so adjustable microphone, everything is set up in case of emergency. Okay, so this is it. Euro dollar 1340 is a positional buy, stop loss 1310, TP 1450, sell is 1450. But I hope that this breakout trade will be fruitful. According to my Camerla MACD rules, this is breakout trade. I won't go into specifics, but generally speaking, the price should definitely close above daily H3, so that will give me bigger assurance that this breakout will go up. But definitely it is confirmed, and it should go towards 1418 to 20 to 1435, finally reaching the daily resistance. But we will see what will happen. If the price follows suit, of course, we will see at least 1420. So I will protect my profit. I have entries at 1397 and 1386. So, well, let's see. Next one is the GBP dollar. The GBP dollar is 2670 buy, 2640 stop, 2780 TP. Sell 2780, stop 2810, TP 2725. And this is the GBP dollar. If the price drops here, this is a buy position. See, inverted head and shoulders here also, but this is the zone. Okay. And 2780 is a sell. 2780 is here. Exactly at this spot, it's the selling zone. Okay. Next one is the Australian dollar. Buy 69.20, stop 68.85, TP 69.85, sell 69.85, stop 70.15, TP 69.40. 69.20 is the Australian dollar buy trade. Okay, so if the price gets here, this is a long trading opportunity, the POC zone. But if the price gets higher without a retracement, 69.85 is a sell here. Daily, okay, daily resistance and weekly H4 confluence. So buy, sell. Next one is the dollar CAD. 32.50 sell, stop 32.80, TP 31.50. Buy is 31.50, stop loss 31.20, TP 32.20. The dollar CAD, okay, once more, 32.50, 31.50. Here is the dollar CAD. Okay. $31.50 is here. 32.50 is there. This is W, but the price is still in downtrend. Watch this. Here is a sell zone. 31.50 is a buy zone. Very clear here. I would like to sell if the price gets there, really. But if it doesn't, this is a chance for counter trend. For counter trend, again, using your own methods could be fine. I use only super dots for counter trend trades. Yeah, for Camarilla MACD members and ECS live group, I still haven't recorded the video, but this is for count. This is actually a trend trade, but these are counter trend trades. So yeah, when I see this, I trade it. Mostly on 4 hour, but I can also use 1 hour time frame. Okay, next one. Bitcoin dollar. It's in uptrend. 10, 11, 15, stop 10, 15. TP 11, 200, sell 11, 200, stop 11, 300, TP 98, 80. Okay. So the Bitcoin dollar is here. If the price gets here, it could be a sell because we have a lot of sellers here. And down there is potential long trade, okay? See, there is a big gap, but 10, 11, 15 is close. I mean, close to the gap. So if the price gets there, I think this could be a buy trade. Okay. If you have any questions, guys, feel free to ask me now. I will roll the slides again. Euro dollar, pound dollar, the Australian dollar, dollar CAD, Bitcoin dollar, and gold. Thoughts on gold? Yeah, I did this. This is actually, yeah, I will give you the idea now. Guled, unfortunately, you are not in our trading group. Today, we had a 35 to 40 pip win on gold. So gold is uptrend, and I traded it with my live trading group. Uh, you should have, I mean, I know you're based in Canada, but it's clear. I had a nice trade on gold, London Open advanced trade. This was it. And I decided to take it. So I hope that, yeah, I mean, I hope that you are also long because this is clearly long. I would go long if the price makes a re-entry dot, but I don't know when it can happen. Maybe here around 3096 or 1400. But gold, according to Camarilla MACD, it should have a big pullback in order to go long. So I would say 3090 is spot to go long. 1390 with stop loss 1385. Wow, with a final target at, I will go with this 1423. 1423. Sell is 1423. Stop loss 1428. TP is 1390. But gold is uptrend. So definitely, guys, look for uptrend continuation. Or eventually, if you want to short it, do it with your own method around the POC zone. I would like to see my super dot because super dots actually made my account sky high by mistake, but still, yeah, they're very accurate. Okay. This is it, guys. Rolling the slides again. Any questions, guys? Feel free to ask me. I'm running my own method, Camarilla MACD, and I trade only what I trust and what I see. And this is Camarilla MACD. I hope that you enjoyed the webinar. Quick trading ideas. We might rebrand this webinar named Weekly Trading Ideas, but so far it's named Recap, but we might do a rebranding. Quick trading ideas each Monday for free. Thank you guys for listening. I wish you a great trading day and the week, and talk to you soon. Cheers. Trade safe. And of course, this webinar is being recording and it will be uploaded. The last question for today, please, guys, do ask me questions before I log off, because when I say it's over, it's really over. DEX is here. This is DEX. Obviously, it's uptrend. So I would look for reversals from 12,220 and this pivot here, 12,200. So look for potential reversals here. It should go up. But this is uptrend. Watch for uptrend continuation. Very clear. Okay, thank you for listening. See you soon, guys. Cheers.